Hi everyone, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to use le nom commun in French. Salut chers amis, nous allons voir comment utiliser les noms communs. Mbote na bandeko nyonso boza kolanda ngai lelo na ko enseigner bino ndenge nini to utiliser ba nom commun na français. Alors ndena baka so boza mituna bo tindela ngai yango na kosala nyonso tuna répondre bino. Merci mingi. To awa so guys, you see, when you hear of the nom, le nom commun, here it doesn't have to be in the capital, okay? I just, in case you don't get it, I can fix it, okay? So, yeah, I just fix it because some people are kind of like picky. So, le nom commun désigne les personnes, les animaux ou une chose, okay, du même aspect en général. So here, when I'm reading, don't worry about this. Désigne, you see this one? I don't pronounce this, okay? The main reason I don't want you guys to get confused when you are reading, right? Don't worry about that S. Here, les animaux. This one sound like Z. Les animaux. Za. Okay? Like that. Ou here, les choses. Okay? So, le nom commun désigne les personnes. This one, plural form. Okay? Les personnes, a lot of people, or a lot of person. Les animaux, a lot of animals. Ou les choses, in plural form, de même aspect en général. Okay? So, I'm gonna focus on le nom commun. Don't worry about this. But when you're writing, make sure you put it. Okay? So, nako lobela ming banon commun. Banon commun sa lokola ndete école, église, paroisse, mosquée, bon on c'est banon commun. Mais si go soko batina combo liboso nango échange comme on est comme nom propre. So guys, some of the nom commun can change, become les noms propres. For example, let's say street is a nom commun. In French, we say la rue. Okay? So, but when you put the name on front of it, it's gonna become nom propre. Okay? So, we come here. For example, the place. If I go back a little bit. The place. Okay? Paroisse is a nom commun. Église, nom commun. L'université, le nom commun. You see this one? It cannot be capital. I'm gonna change it for you guys to see it, okay? So I'm gonna change it. So you see that P, I'm gonna change it, okay? Like that. Paroisse, okay? Here, I'm gonna change it. This one, I can change that to be the small one, okay? So, yeah, so I'm gonna change it. You see? Like that. University, same thing. Okay? The main reason I'm changing them, some of you may say, why? Because we have a lot of paroisse. We have a lot of église. We have a lot of university. So, but we don't have the name of it. For example, if I say University of Toronto, yes. In that case, I'm going to change it here. It's going to be capital. This one. If I put like the University of Toronto, in this case, this one, it's gonna become like this because of Toronto is it's a nom propre. Here, in case if I say Église Hamilton, for example, I put Église. I just put like just example. In this case, this one gonna change. Okay, it's gonna change. It's gonna change to this. It's gonna change like that. because of the name in front of this is the nom propre. You have to be careful, okay? So, like I said, you have a question, feel free to contact me. I'm gonna explain to you because back in the day, way back in the day when I was like in in high school, no, what I did in my grade about 7, 8. Sometimes the stuff can be a little bit fuzzy. You don't get it, but don't worry, I'm here to help you, okay? So next, collège, l'école, la paroisse. So don't worry, like I said, this one, because of the nom commun, it has to be low cases, okay? So I'm gonna fix it that way you guys understand. So when you take a look, école is the nom commun. Le collège is the nom commun. L'école is a nom commun. La class is the nom commun because we have a lot of classes, but we don't know. We don't. That class doesn't have the name like let's say for example I say collège boréal. If we take boréal, collège gonna be nom commun because there's a lot of college. But if we say collège boréal because of boréal, which make it nom propre. So in this case, we don't have any name in the front of it that's like a nom propre. So in this case, it's the nom commun, this one. Okay? L'école is a nom commun. La classe is the nom commun. Okay? We come here. You look at this. Le chien, chien, chêne, lion, cheval. Chien, chêne, lion, cheval. So in this case, when you look at here, it's wrong. So we have to change this in low cases, okay? Chien, this one's a male dog. La chienne is a female one. The lion, cheval, okay? So we're gonna change them together, okay? So, okay, it's gonna be like that, all right? Because of okay, Shen, because it's when if it in case it was like the no proper, yeah, it's gonna be in a capital, but because there's a lot of dog, and because of that we don't know the name of it. In case if you say dog, they're not gonna understand. But if you say Milou, yes, one of the dog, maybe the name of it can be like Milou. Okay, so in this case we're gonna focus on nom commun. Watch my the other video if in case you don't get it. I was talking about the nom propre. You're gonna understand, okay? So here, line, lion, okay? So in French we say lion. In French, line. So in English, line. In French, lion. Cheval. So in French it's a cheval. In English, horse. Horse, okay? So I'm not talking about like horse. Oh, that's terrible. No. The animal I'm talking about. So chien is a dog, a male dog. Chienne is a female dog. In English, people gonna say like a bitch, but we don't. It doesn't sound that right. So in French, we say chien. It's a male. Chienne is a female. Lion, cheval. Okay. Cheval. So I have to change them because of the nom commun. Okay. So come here. Je suis un élève. You link it like here. Je suis un élève. Je suis une élève. We don't link it. No linking here. Papa aime Pauline. Le président va en France. Plutôt en Bruxelles. Le président va à Bruxelles. The main reason I'm saying à Bruxelles because when we use the city, we use à. Okay? So I'm gonna read one more time. Je suis un élève. Je suis une élève. Papa aime Pauline. Le président va en Bruxelles. So when you take a look, some of you may say, wait a minute, but why here we have a capital, the letter, it's big here, because when you start the sentence, it doesn't matter in English or French, the first letter of your sentence must start with the capital letter. You must put the capital, capitalize that letter, okay? So here, this one, it's a pronoun. This one is a verb. This one, article. This one is a noun. So, élève is the nom commun, because there's a lot of élèves. But in this case, it's a male student. Now, je suis une élève. In this case, this is a female. So, it's a nom commun. Okay, because you can see here, this one is an article, l'article. We have l'article défini et indéfini. So this one is article. So this one is like a. Okay, or a like this. Okay, like that. So in this case, we are using like this one. Okay, and same thing. Okay, so in this case, this person is a female. It's a woman. This person here is a male, because this one is a male. This one is a female. Je suis un élève. Je suis une élève. Papa aime Pauline. Le président va en Bruxelles. This one is the nom commun. Is the nom commun. This one is the nom commun. This one is the nom propre. The nom propre. Same thing here. This one is the nom propre. Okay? You may say, what is the letter P N stand for? It's le nom propre. This one, the nom commun. Okay? We come here. Le président va au Canada. Le président va en France. Le président va aux Pays-Bas. Le président va aux États-Unis. I link here. Aux États-Unis. Again, le président va au Canada. Le président va en France. Le président va aux Pays-Bas. Le président va aux États-Unis. So here, le président is the nom commun. Canada, the nom propre. The nom propre. Okay? Again, le président is the nom commun. Because there's a lot of presidents. But in this case, don't have the name. We just, France is the nom propre. Okay? Again, le président is the nom commun. Pays-Bas, Holland, is Netherlands is the nom propre. Le président, the nom commun. Les États-Unis, les noms propres. Okay? Yeah, so in case you don't get it, please take your time. You watch them again, you should be okay. All right? So I'm going to stop here for today. So thank you so much. You guys take care.